it, guys? So today we have another photo shoot, but this time it's not for product photography. It is for a new product launching on the website in 2 weeks on the Tuesday the 29th that'll launch. I'm really excited actually. I'll let the photo shoot speak for itself so you guys can just see what we're doing, and it's gonna be a lot of fun. I'm actually really late. I was at this other studio last night until like 11, so I got home super late and I couldn't, like I needed to sleep. So they've all been here since 9 and it's 11:30. We had a little snafu today with the photo shoot. Came in and the styling was just really bad, so I had to just take control. I was like, what is going on? This is terrible. You guys need to fix this. So then I had to go home, go get a whole bunch of clothes, and then come back and do all new styling. Alhamdulillah, it's going a lot better now. Once I came back, it's like much smoother. I was having a little bit of a panic attack in the morning, but alhamdulillah, it's going great. So let me show you guys what we're shooting. It's so exciting. All the food we can't eat. How's it going, peeps?
Stunning. MashaAllah.
Enjoying your meal? Let me sniff it. Oh, dude, love the food sniff. Gets me through the day.
All roast beef there. Roast beef and some really spicy, what's the word, mustard.
Wait, what did you say?
I said just a Catholic in a Muslim world. But you're holding silk. Oh wow. Da, 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 da.
Look who's here, guys.
Hello.
Hello. Ahmed, you haven't been in any of the vlogs. Where have you been?
I'm in high demand. I don't know what to tell you.
I'm not
Now,
even saying anything.
other people want my attention, and I have to take care of them. You're not the only one.
Who are those other people now?
Just lots of people.
Oh,
Lots and lots.
okay. Gisella's done for the day. We have 3 more looks, G! Everyone just cleared out. Just in time for me and Giselle and Ahmed to break our fast. They went to go help Owen with the photo stuff first. Should I just eat? Like, it's time. Or should I wait for them? I don't know what to do. I have a date. I'm too tired to even think. Wallahi, I don't think I've had a crazier week in my whole life. They need to hurry up. It's time to eat. Okay, I decided I'm eating. Oh. Dang it, I have to make dua. I gotta leave. I'm eating.
Oh,
I want my date. Hey, did you eat my date?
No, I did. You were like legit gonna kill me, and it was on camera.
why are you eating people's food?
Yalla.
Well, we're back here again. This is what it means to do the startup grind.
Our day is just starting.
What time is it?
It's 8:45.
PM.
We haven't had even eaten, really. We just had.
Okay, let's go.
Now we have to get up into the office, up in there, and then me and Giselle have to go through every single photo that we just took today. There's probably thousands, for sure over 1,000. I don't know how many more over that. Oh, the guy scared me. We have to go through everything, choose the finals, and send them over to our editor tonight. because we need a fast turnaround to get these up on the website. Not this Tuesday, next Tuesday. The silks are incredible, you're gonna love them. Oh, they're all silk. I don't know if that was obvious from the shoot, but they're all silk, solid, stunning hijab. The office is completely empty, which is awesome. Ooh, the Uzbeks. Where are they at? Uzbeks! Matt's here too! Say hi, Matt and Irma. Hey! Hey, yo! We haven't been in the office, literally, in forever.
Ooh, that looks good, dude.
Some of my eggs.
This is curry chicken. Oh my god, look at this.
This is the first iftar that you and I have had together, and it's pathetic. At the office.
I know.
Pathetic.
Because you're a loser. Look at these fools.
I have to change out my hijab because we're literally going through every photo now. You want to pan over? You want to come over? If you're
Okay.
zooming in really close to my face, I swear to God.
Alright, cut.
It's 3:45. I can't believe we're still here. This is crazy. We're wrapping it up. We'll probably be out of here by like 4:15. Maybe. Okay, we need to finish this up, so I'll catch y'all peeps tomorrow. And keep me in your thoughts, because what kind of Ramadan is this? This is bad. I didn't read my juz today either. I'm behind. I'm behind already. It's only the 3rd day. Bye.